So hey guys, this is Zubair from Car OMG Auto Accessories and Modification. Today I have received this beautiful red Corvette. Look at the shine on this car as we have done ceramic coating, body stripes, complete body kits and tinting as well. Come let me show you. So yes, we have installed a complete body kit for this beautiful red Corvette. This is a glossy black spoiler alongside with this diffuser to give it a much sporty look. Without the side skirts and the front lip, the body kits are incomplete. Come check out how these side skirts are adding a more sharper look to this car. If you want to give your car a much aggressive look, you can add a front lip to it as we have already installed in this car with two stripes from bumper to bumper.
Ela tá cheia de tesão, eu vou te fuder com amor. Mina linda, safadinha, arregaça esse popô. Vai, saca, 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 saca.